Do you want to know more about Neapolitan style pizza? Let's do together the dough and let me share a few tips with you. So for Neapolitan style we always need 4 ingredients, that is flour, yeast, salt, water. And when it comes to flours, I recommend you to use a type 0 or type 00 with 12 grams of proteins at the minimum. And once you get experience, you can mix different type of flours and create your own blend. We always start mixing flour and yeast only. And after a few seconds we'll start adding 90 to 95% of the water of the recipe. So while the mixer goes, tip number 1, you always want to use very cold water. In this case I used the water from the fridge and it was at around 4 degrees. And only at this point we start to add the salt. And after about 5 to 6 seconds we'll add a bit of the water that is remaining. Another small tip, when you add the second part of the water, don't have rush. So take your time to add water, even though don't take too much time, because otherwise it will be a disaster. Because otherwise temperatures will go too high and it's not good for the development of your pizza dough. Just last part of water stays there, we add it. And we are done. And this is already super strong dough. And as I use a spiral dough mixer, I only need to do a bit of folding to create the dough balls before going into the storage. Follow me for the next pizza tip and you're welcome.